everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2021 Ford F-150 and we're going to do a Taillight Tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be down below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillights. So to prep them, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens and using a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. Okay, so to start with the installation, we're going to start by installing the piece that goes on the outer section of the taillight. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And you want to start by aligning this section of the film right on the edge here on the body line, and then the rest just place it down. So align it right on the body line of the taillight here, so right here, and then everything should just fall into place. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position with one hand, and then with the other one, tack it down with your squeegee. And just make sure you secure this whole panel, because with this one, we're going to need to stretch, align the film, and tack it down. And it's going to require a lot of movement and stretching. So you need to make sure that this piece is tacked down and secured. And then with this one, it doesn't cover all the way up to the edge here, because the way the taillight is designed, it goes up and then inside the curve and then a flat up. So the tint will have a hard time to tack down if you try to cover this piece. So we just made the film to tack down just up to the top area here. So once you secured this section here, now we can move on with the rest of the film and then lining it and tightening it down to this end. So now that we have this section secured, now we move on with the rest of the film here. So with this one, just apply Slip Solution on the top layer of the taillight and Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film. Place it back down, and all we're doing is stretching the film and making sure it stays aligned. So stretch it and have it aligned on the edge here. Once we have this section aligned and stretched, grab your squeegee and start tagging it down to secure it in position. So now that this piece is tacked down, now we're moving on here. So make sure this area is dry, that way you're able to place your hand down and stretch it. So dry the film, now stretch and align it to this edge. So if you need to lift it, you can. So just stretch and align it to this edge here. So now that we have it there, grab your squeegee, start tagging it down to secure it. And you can also apply Tack Solution just to help it tack down more faster. And then grab your heat gun, apply heat, just to remove these small fingers that are on the edge here. Okay, and now that we secured this section, now we're going to work on securing and aligning the side piece that goes on the side and then underneath the taillight. So now we're moving on with this one. Same steps. We're going to lift the film and just make sure we have it aligned and tack down to this edge of the taillight. So align it, stretch it just a little bit so it can reach the bottom. Once you have it stretched and it reaches the bottom, we're going to go ahead and start tagging it down to secure it in position. And make sure you remove any solution that's behind the film. And now finish off with this bottom piece. So just place the film and stretch it to meet it to this edge. So once you stretch the film, apply Tack Solution, hold it in position and tack it down. And now just hold it in position, apply heat, that way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and the film stays tacked down to the taillights. And now we're done with the side piece. Now we're going to move on with this inner piece that's on the side here. Okay, so now we're moving on with the next install. So with this one, just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film once again. And with this one, instead of starting off aligning it on this side first, we're going to start off by aligning this section of the tint to right to this edge of the red color of the taillight. So make sure you give yourself enough material. That way it covers this section. Make sure it's aligned. Once you have it aligned, everything should fall into place. So just align it and it should tack down. So secure this piece first. It's going to be important because if we don't secure it, it's just going to lift. So just apply tack solution and just start tacking it down with your finger. You can help it tack down by applying a little bit of pressure. Because it is such a deep curve here, it will tend to lift. You can also use heat to help it tack down here. So now, little by little, the film's tacking down. So now that this is secured, we can move on with this piece. So just apply tack solution on top. That way we would tack down the film and secure it here. And it's just going to overlap with the top piece that we installed just by a little bit. And then now we can move on with installing it on that side and then afterwards on the bottom. So with this one, all we're going to do is lift the film and apply slip solution. That way the film is able to glide as we're stretching it. So place it back down and we're going to stretch it from this end here, not from here. That way we remove all the fingers that are in this section. So just stretch, make sure this area is dry, that way you have better grip. If you need to dry it with the microfiber towel. And then if this area did get dry, just apply slip solution once again. Dry this area and now stretch. So as you can see now, we have the film up to the edge. Hold it in position and apply tack solution and start securing it by tacking it down. And just make sure you remove all of the solution behind the film and you should be good. And now we can move on with the bottom piece here. Okay, so now we're moving on to the bottom section here of the film. So with this one, we're going to start by applying slip solution on this side first and just making sure everything stays aligned to the panel. So just once you have it aligned, start tacking it down. So make sure everything stays aligned and make sure you give yourself enough material to cover the red color on the inside here. So as you're aligning it, make sure you're covering the red color here. If you need to lift and adjust it, you can. And just take your time. Now that it's covering everything, start tacking it down. And then finish off with this side. Make sure you're covering the red and just apply slip solution. That way you're able to stretch the film up to the edge here. So now that we have it on the edge, now secure it and tack it down. And that should be it. Make sure this whole area is tacked down before you move on with the next piece. To secure it, just apply tack solution on the edges, and you could use your finger to tack it down, or you could also use your microfiber towel with your finger to help it tack down, and also it helps remove any solution that's trapped behind the film. And you can also add heat, that way we help the film here tack down more faster. So if you're going to apply heat, just apply tack solution before, that way you don't accidentally burn the film, and that tack solution will help that adhesive activate faster. Okay, and now that we have everything sealed, now we can move on with the piece that goes on these two sections here. Okay, so now we're moving on to this section. So just apply slip solution. That way we're able to align the film and adjust it to the position we need it to. Place the film, and with this one we're going to start by aligning this section of the film right on the edge of the tail light here. So just lift it if you need to lift. Make sure you have material to cover the top and material to cover the bottom here. So that should be good right there. Make sure it's on the edge. And now all you need to do now is just apply tack solution, hold it in position, and make sure we secure it and anchor it in this section first. Now that this is secured, we can move on to each side. So with this one, all you need to do is just a small stretch in order to align it and cover this section of the tail light. If the area did get dry, just lift the film carefully and apply slip solution. Tack it back down, stretch the film, and make sure it's just covering the whole section of the panel here. And then tack it down. And just be careful not to pass your squeegee on the film here because it might catch it and make it lift. And then same with this side, lift the film carefully, apply slip solution, place it back down, and just stretch it and align it, and tack it down. And then just make sure these two pieces here align and are tacked down before you move on with the next piece. So now that everything's placed, apply tack solution, and we're just going to apply heat all around the film to help it seal and tack down, so that way it doesn't lift over time. And now we move on to this piece right here. Okay, so when it comes to installing the film, you are going to notice there is two small cutouts on the edge of the film here. So one on top, one on the bottom. Those cutouts, you're going to align it to this edge of the body line of this piece. So not the top piece here, but this edge here. So to align it, apply slip solution on the tail light and slip on the film. And remember, align this edge to this edge here. So that one there and this one here. And to help the adhesive on the film activate faster, just apply tack solution on the two edges that we need to tack down. So there you go, just like that. And now we're going to secure this section first. So apply tack solution, grab your squeegee, and secure it in this position first, because afterwards we're going to need to stretch the film to reach it to this edge here. So secure it, tack this side down, secure the top as well, so just help it tack down just like that, and secure the bottom. Okay, so now that this whole section is secured, just apply a little bit of heat just to help the adhesive activate faster. And now since we have this whole panel tacked down, now we could lift this section, apply slip solution, and stretch the film until it reaches to this edge here. Also with this one, make sure this area is dry, since you're going to need to stretch it a good amount, since there is a small curve. So stretch and tack it down. So just like that, hold it in position, apply tack solution, and grab your squeegee and start tacking it down. And that's pretty much it, and just go on the bottom, make sure you secure it and seal it, take your time. And you could also apply tack solution and heat to remove any small fingers on the bottom section here. And that's it, you're done with the whole installation. And now the last thing to do once you finish installing the whole piece is to pulse heat the entire panel. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it sticks better to the tail light. So to pulse heat the tail light, all you need is to apply tack solution all around the film, and especially around the areas where we overlap the film and also around the curves. And we're going to use our heat gun, go all around the tail light, making sure we apply heat on all the places, especially on the curved areas. And then once you're done with this, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you love your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2021 Ford F-150. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.